Exercise 221, display XY data. So the data from the last exercise, we had a table full of X and Y locations, latitude and longitude with the city name. So let's bring that data into this map document. To do that, we'll press add, and then it should have the city's $sign data set from last time. So press add. Now let's open up the attribute table for it. Here you can see latitude, longitude, and the name of the city. So from the table of contents, right click on the city's $sign and press display XY data. The display XY data tool should appear. It most likely will automatically select which field is where, whether it's X and Y, and which coordinate system works best. So it recognized that those were latitude and longitude. So it chose a geographic coordinate system for us. Go ahead and press OK. You'll get an error. Don't worry about it. Press OK. You should now have points roughly in the shape of Idaho. We want to check and make sure that we actually configured the X and Y fields correctly, because if you get latitude and longitude backwards, sometimes it will put the points on the opposite side of the planet, which is not very helpful. To do that, go ahead and we want to add in the Idaho_counties data set from chapter 1. So let's do that using the add data button. We'll go up, and then we'll want to go to chapter 1, data, exercise 1. There it is, Idaho_counties, add. Go ahead and close after seeing this geographic coordinate system warning, not a problem. That's a good sign. So if the state boundary draws underneath the points, that means you put it on the right side. Usually the error is very obvious when it's not correct. So this is a good habit to have. Notice that city's $sign says events after it. That means that this is an event layer, something that's temporary. Once we close ArcMap, this data will disappear. So we'll want to actually save this data somewhere permanently. So just like in the first exercise of this class, right click on cities events and go down to where it says data, export data. And let's go ahead and export this into the chapter 2 data folder. So I'm going to search for folder connections, chapter 2 exercises, data. Let's call this cities_points. Right now it says we're going to save it as a file in personal geodatabase feature class. We want to change that. Let's just make it a shape file. And go ahead and press save. Then press OK. Feel free to add it to the map just to check and see if everything was added correctly.